So you see someone driving a Lamborghini and you ask them what they do for a living. They tell you they're in final expense insurance sales. You have a Wolf of Wall Street moment and you say, hey, I want to make that type of money. I should start selling final expense insurance.
You show me a pay stub for $72,000 on it, I quit my job right now and I work for you.
Well, allow me to destroy your dream right now and tell you why getting into this industry could be a bad idea for you. The first one is high failure rate. Now you can make a ton of money in final expense insurance sales, but it's not for everyone. In fact, 92% of the agents fail within the first year. Now imagine if I told you that you can have $1 billion if you skydive off a cliff, but 92% of the people don't make it out alive. Would you still do it? You really have to understand high risk, high reward in this industry, and you have to work really hard. The good news is there are people that have already done it, and if you use their proven systems, it could immensely increase your chance at success. We've created a best practices video that you can find in the description, but regardless, if you cannot handle extreme high risk, high reward, getting into this industry is a bad idea for you. Reason number 2 is that rejection is not only expected, but it is extremely common. If you can't handle rejection, you won't be able to handle this business. Selling final expense insurance means knocking on doors and calling leads and hearing no way more times than you'd like. And the excuses that these clients can make and the positions that they can put you in can really come from left field and put you in unexpected areas and situations. If you can't shake off the tough days, it's going to be an uphill battle for you. And of course, we have a video on common objections that you can find in the description, but if you cannot handle being rejected, you will not be able to handle the battles that come with this industry. Reason number 3 is that it takes a ton of consistency. Now, you may be a really talented person, and I always say this, but hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. And in this industry, it's all about working hard and staying consistent. If you cannot stay consistent and do the time that you need to properly understand this industry, you will not make it and you will fail. A good way to make sure that you're consistent is to have a good system. Get a CRM and organize your sales process in the way that works best for you. Now, if you're somebody that does in-person or door-to-door sales, make sure you have a good routing tool. And of course, the best routing tool for final expense door knockers is Knock It Pro. Knock It Pro allows you to create custom labels for your leads so you know exactly where they stand in the sales cycle. For example, if I visit this lead once or twice, I can change the label to Door Knock 1 or Door Knock 2. Or if they ask me to come in the evening, I can simply set a PM label. The app allows for you to create your own custom labels as well, and when you're working your route, you can simply click a button and it will show you other leads nearby that you can quickly visit and potentially close that you would have otherwise missed. And of course, you can add nodes to each leads, and what's even better is that you can attach pictures. You can download Knock It Pro in the App Store or simply click the link below. Reason number 4 is chargebacks. So the good thing about this industry is that when you sell somebody on a policy, even though they pay on a monthly basis, you get the commission for the entire year up front. However, if a policy holder cancels their plan or misses their payments, you are on the hook for the commission that you've already earned. So for example, you've been paid for the whole year, but if somebody stops paying in month 4, you now have 8 months of payments that you've already been paid that you gotta now pay back. If you're not managing your book of business carefully, chargebacks can wipe out your hard-earned income, and you'd be surprised at how much it could take you back. It's a risk that you need to be ready for. You need to be organized, and if you cannot be organized and cannot handle this risk, do not get into this industry. Reason number 5 is that there's no fixed salary. In this industry, the income is 100% commission-based. If you're not closing sales, you're not making money, period. Now on the flip side, the more you and your team closes, the more you make. But for some people, that level of uncertainty can really be stressful, especially if you're used to a steady paycheck. But if you're not prepared to hustle it out, I'm sorry, but it could be a really tough adjustment, and this industry might not be for you. Now, if you've heard all of this and you're still prepared to take it on, then maybe this industry is for you. Just be ready to work hard, face the challenges, and learn to grow. We will keep putting out content that is going to help you grow, and we wish you the best of luck in your final expense insurance sales journey.